All right, this is a quick screencast, a short one just to show you quickly how to create a Flippity template according to what you are in need of. Uh, as foreign language teachers, we will not be able to use too many of them. There are 16 here. I believe five are really interesting to us. So let's begin with the random name picker over here. We're going to go straight to instruction. Each one you can Okay, you can go to a little demo. It will show you how it works. But as far as to create one, you click on template, you make a copy of it. Every time you make a copy of one of these templates, it will register into your Google Drive. So you do not need to worry about how it's being done. Here, let's say that this is my class. Okay, let's say I'm gonna change one name here. I'm gonna put my own name, and these other kids are my French one. Let's put this here. French one, period, two kids, and let's take these words out. I might even take this out. Random name picker, French one. Okay, be very careful. This is the main thing we need to do. Once your names are in, you go right here, publish to the web. Yes, publish. Okay, I want to publish, and here it is. I am not, I am now in the system, and this is the trick. You click at the bottom here. This is the link that you can send to somebody, or simply every time you want to use it, go click on it, and there you go. You have your little wheel, pick a name, and there you go. Jody was chosen. Let's see, I need 4 teams to play my next game. You click on 4 teams. And these kids now team up, go in each corner of your classroom to go play the next game, which is right here. We're going to go back and choose the quiz. So we want to play Jeopardy or Flippity Quiz Show, and we're going to go to Instruction, click on this template, make a copy, and right into this section here, we can't change anything in the blue section, but right here, everything that's gray can be changed. So I can say verb er, and then I've asked my question. Let's say danser, to dance. Let's make it in English. What is to dance in French? And I want to let them know it's danser. How about to eat? Whoop. And it's manger. And so on. You make sure you go into increasing the difficulty of your question. You have different sections here, 6 categories. Once it's all finished, you have it done. Don't forget to go click File and publish to the web. That's where the magic happens. Publish. Okay. And here we have it. Now that you publish to the web, you go down here, get the link here, and this you can put on your e-class or directly go on your whiteboard like this and start playing with your students. And the students of Team 1 did it, made this, they got this, they have 100 points. It registers by itself. And there you go. So I have the sheet that I made for you that explain what I think of each one. And as you can see, it shows up on the Google Drive into your recent section here. This is everything that you do on Flippity. All right, thank you.